बस जैसा हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष कहते हैं, जय बजरंग बली तोड़ भ्रष्टाचार की नली। आज बजरंग बली ने भ्रष्टाचार की नली तोड़। ट्रबल इंजन ने सिर्फ धुआं छोड़ा और भ्रष्टाचार किया। हमने यहाँ पे 5 गारंटियों का जो हमारा वादा है उसको पहली कैबिनेट में हम अक्षरशः लागू करेंगे।
We are asking Modi ji, what is wrong in this? I am drinking in front of you. What is wrong in this brand? It's very tasty. Modi ji, please taste it. It's very good. Amit Shah ji, please taste it. Member of Parliament of BJP from Karnataka, please taste this. This is the pride of Karnataka. Why you want to damage and destroy this pride? This bottle is also very tasty. I would request each one of us, please have it. Modi ji, next time, today though you are not getting my invitation. Next time you come here, this Nandini brand, you should taste it. Or Modi ji, this is not bad. I am again drinking. I am tempted to drink this. This is not bad. Try it. And if you are listening via my press conference, somebody from BJP give this bottle to him. Modi ji, please have, taste it. This is not bad. You are trying to damage the pride of Karnataka by doing this.